Two HR giants for 2025, one global, one compliance-focused. Rippling versus TriNet, which one really delivers? On the left, Rippling, the all-in-one global workforce platform, and on the right, TriNet, the PEO expert trusted by thousands of US businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, before we get too far, let me show you the map of where we're headed today. We're gonna look at global reach, platform and integrations, pricing, customization and automation, compliance and support, and of course, the all-important customer experience. That way you get the full picture. First things first, global reach. So Rippling, honestly, it's a powerhouse here. You can hire and pay people in over 50 countries, like kind of a game changer if you're trying to scale worldwide. Everything's automated, even multi-currency payroll, so international isn't just a buzzword for them. Sometimes they're still rolling out benefits options, but honestly, that's nitpicking. Now TriNet does have global options too, mostly through partners, and it's actually super strong if you want to start global expansion from the US. But direct international payroll isn't quite as seamless or hands-off. So if you want super smooth global ops, Rippling definitely takes the lead. Next up, let's talk platform and integrations. Rippling is kinda wild with this. They've got over 500 integrations and their platform isn't just for HR. It's like payroll all unified in one spot, super modern, and you can automate workflows until your heart's content. It can get a little complex if you start building mega automations, but hey, that's the price of flexibility, right? Now, TriNet's dashboard is classic, super robust for core HR stuff, nothing wrong there. But the integrations are way more limited and the UI, well, it feels a bit old school, not as intuitive or snappy. So if you're looking for something sleek and future-proof, come on, Rippling runs away with this win. Okay, pricing? Rippling is upfront for their employer of record. You're looking at $8 a person per month plus a $35 base. They call it pay-as-you-grow, so it's actually kinda friendly if you're scaling a team internationally, but oh and yeah, add-ons can bump up that cost depending on what you need globally. With TriNet, it's all custom quotes. Sounds good in theory, but honestly it's not super transparent, and for smaller businesses, those bundled HR services can make it pricey. So for clarity and potential value, Rippling gets another win. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Rippling can actually ship and configure laptops for your new hires wherever they are on the globe. Yup, all automated. That's some next-level IT magic. Customization and automation. Okay, I'm excited about this. You know why? Rippling's workflow engine is pretty intense. You can customize like crazy, set up role-based access, automate almost anything. Downside. Yeah, all those advanced features mean you might be tinkering for a bit upfront. TriNet does offer some industry-specific HR support. You get that tailored, personal touch. But if you want fancy automations or customization, it's pretty limited compared to Rippling. So once again, Rippling's taking it. Now let's talk compliance and support. This is where TriNet really shines. They're all about US labor law compliance and have expert teams, especially if you're in states like California, New York, or Illinois where regulations are, well, kind of bananas, right? You get industry-specific guidance too. They don't focus much on global legal stuff, but for US, they're mature. Rippling, on the other hand, is solid for global compliance. They've got security, GDPR, CCPA, the whole 9 yards. But when it comes to really detailed, state-by-state US stuff, they're still catching up. So for compliance and support, TriNet actually pulls ahead. Finally, customer experience. Both have their highs and lows. Rippling brings modern 24/7 chat support, tons of help resources, so it's great if you're after efficiency. But some customers say escalating complex issues can be slow. TriNet does personalized service, dedicated account teams, and that industry know-how. Only thing is, your support hours might be more restricted at lower tiers. So honestly, it's a bit of a toss-up here. Both do well, but neither is perfect. Now let's take a look at the radar chart. This is where you can see how each platform stacks up, category by category. Spoiler alert, Rippling pulls ahead in most areas, but TriNet's got that compliance part nailed. So you know what? If your company's thinking global, needs tons of automations, and just wants things to run smoothly all over the world, Rippling is a total win. But if you're a US-based business in a high-regulation industry and you want ultra-custom compliance, TriNet's your guy. It all comes down to what matters most for you: scaling up and integrations or deep compliance and hands-on HR expertise. Need help choosing the best HR platform? Stick around, and as always, we'll keep you updated with more expert software comparisons. Don't miss out.